going on, guys? Phil here from the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel. I'm here at Richmond for Richmond vlog part number 2 in request for Alex Ewan. I'm hoping to have a better shot at Richmond this time, seeing that Richmond vlog part number 1 I think only had 1 or 2 trains in it. I'm hoping to maybe get 3 in this one, so fingers crossed. Across the car park there's red rattler car T4353. I'm using my iPhone 4 now, so I can't zoom, unfortunately. The iPhone 5 ran out of battery power and I've been doing a lot of vlogs today. Waratah A78. A78 is the newest Waratah in service. There's only one Waratah to go. A80 is the last Waratah to enter service sometime. There's another Waratah approaching platform number 2. The train terminates and then it will return to Hornsby via Macquarie Park. The set is A17. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. See you guys in the next vlog. Goodbye for now.